In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Bitwarden Integrated Authenticator. The Bitwarden Integrated Authenticator provides an additional layer of security and convenience, ensuring your digital information stays protected. First things first, head on over to the Bitwarden website. Bitwarden is known as one of the best password managers for business, enterprise, and personal use. It's a one-stop destination for managing all your important credentials securely. Once you're on the website, your next step is to click on the Login button. You'll find this option prominently displayed, making it easy to access your secure vault with just a few clicks. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be directed to your Bitwarden vault. The vault is where all your password data is stored safely. Now, to manage your security settings, you'll want to navigate to the Settings section. You'll find this option within your vault, and it acts as the control center for adjusting any preferences or configurations. Now, go ahead and click on Security. This section is going to be where you manage your two-step login settings. Two-step login is vital for enhancing the security of your accounts by requiring a second form of identification. By doing this, even if someone else learns your password, they won't be able to access your account without your secondary verification method. Next up, you'll want to go to the two-step login settings. This brings you to a page dedicated to various options for two-factor authentication methods. Among the several methods available, we'll focus on using the Authenticator app. Click on this option to move forward with setting up your Authenticator. The Authenticator app in Bitwarden is designed to generate time-based codes that you will use as the second verification step during login. It's both convenient and highly secure, ensuring that each login attempt you make is protected through dynamic, temporary codes. Setting this up will allow you to better secure your account from unauthorized access. Setting up the Authenticator app within Bitwarden seamlessly integrates code generation with your password vault, simplifying the process of accessing your accounts while maintaining robust security. This ensures that all your data stays within a single secure ecosystem. With the setup complete, you are now equipped with Bitwarden's integrated security advantages. Should you encounter any issues during this setup or ever need assistance, Bitwarden offers a variety of resources and support options to help guide you through any challenges. So, take some time to explore these settings thoroughly and enjoy the added peace of mind knowing your credentials are secure with Bitwarden. Thank you for tuning in, and happy secure browsing.